Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today I have the Mini-O-Grabox, the January edition, which we will unbox and review in this video. It's priced very affordably at just Rs 279 with free shipping, and this month it contains products worth more than 1300 rupees, which is amazing. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon.
This is how the pouch looks like. It came in a cardboard wrap and some courier packaging. Here there is a card that says congratulations on your January Mini-O-Grabox. And this is the Fuck Home pouch. And here are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So this month we have 2 makeup, 2 skincare and 1 jewelry. So the star product in makeup is this, in my opinion. It is a concealer palette from SFR Color. So it has all these different shades. This is like a banana powder shade, little yellowish, which will brighten up your under eyes, and this one you can probably use to contour your face, this or this depending on your skin tone. So they have mentioned this like highlight, normalize, neutral and all, but they are not quite correct for all skin tones, but you can use as per your skin tone. They have all different colors, and this is a cream concealer palette. So these are all cream concealers. It comes with this applicator as well, but I will suggest apply this with your fingertips. That will be better. The color is number 2. You might get, there are 3 shades, you might get any one of them randomly. And here are more details. Well, if you're a beginner, this is a very good palette to start with, because you will definitely find a shade that suits you. They do have very light to very dark shade that I do appreciate, because this might be from an affordable price range, but still they have covered the entire spectrum of skin tones or shades. I do have concealers already which I use, which are correct for my skin tone, so I will not be using this. But if you're a beginner, this is definitely good to have. So I'm definitely happy with this. If you don't know which shade your concealer should be, you can just get this one in this very affordable Mini-Grabox, and you can try out all the shades, and this can be used for contouring and highlighting as well, along with conceal and correction. So a very good product. Then the next makeup product we have is a Pro Longwear Lip Gloss by the brand Me Now. So the shade I've got is True Love. They have 2 shades. One is this pinkish one, and there is a nudish shade like squash or something, and you'll get any one of them randomly. So this is a seal pack, which is good, and this is how the applicator looks like. I like this shade. So this is how the shade looks like. A beautiful pink, very opaque, very pigmented, and it has a glossy finish only. I actually tried to blow on it a couple of times and thought it might dry onto matte finish, but it is a gloss only. It is not a liquid lipstick, but I do like it because it's creamy, it's very pigmented, and the shade is definitely very good. It will suit most of the skin tones. It's tad bit bright, but if you like bold and bright colors, you'll definitely love this. Then moving on to the skincare products we have. The first one here is this Faucon Multani Mitti. They always send a face pack, mostly I've seen, and this time it's a Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth face pack. Everybody knows the benefits of Multani Mitti. It's really versatile, and if you have oily skin or if you have pimple issues, this is really good. And Multani Mitti is like a base for every face pack. You can mix more things in it and make it as per your liking. You can mix with curd or milk or honey if you like a bit of moisturization as well. So it has been known for making your skin clearer and radiant, so definitely a good thing to have. And Faucon face packs are really good. I always like them. Okay, forgot to read the details. It's for 150 rupees and best before 3 years from December 2018, 100 grams full size. Then the second product is again the in-house brand one, and this is a body wash in the variant Strawberry. It's for 250 rupees, 24 months from 11/2018. Here are the ingredients mentioned. It is not completely organic, it has SLES, but it's a decent one. It does have strawberry extracts and essential oil. So for body wash, I'm definitely happy. It's 100 ml full size and this is how it looks. They have sealed it, packaged it properly so that nothing leaks and you don't have all the products ruined. So I'm definitely happy with this. It has 100% natural fragrance. They have not added any fragrance or anything, so that's great. So after the two skincare and two makeup products, we have a piece of jewelry, and here we have a pair of earrings. So this is how they look, and they are really pretty, guys. I really like them. The finishing is good. I love the pattern. So pretty. It's definitely a statement piece. Perfect for any suit or kurti, and it's multicolor, so you can probably wear with most of your outfits. If you have any solid color outfits like in a single color, you can pair this, or anything with a combination of blue, red or green. I really like the bird and the floral pattern. It's very pretty, and even though it looks so huge, it is very lightweight. That's an added advantage. So guys, these are all the products in the Mini-O-Grabox for the month of January. Here are the pricing details mentioned. Multani Mitti, as we read, is for 150. The concealer palette by SFR Color is for 350. Earrings mentioned for 350. Body wash also was mentioned as 250. And the lip gloss is for 200 rupees. So the total worth of products is 1300, and you get it for 279 including shipping. So that's amazing. I think it's a great deal. And also this lip gloss, which we thought was glossy, has slowly dried now, so it is drying to completely matte finish, but it is moisturizing. It's very creamy. That is why it is taking so much time to dry. Well, after some time this lip gloss has completely dried. So this is basically a liquid lipstick itself, and it is in a beautiful color, and it's completely matte. So I absolutely love this. It is one of my favorite products in the box now. So both the makeup products are great. The skincare products are great. I love the jewelry. So this time I think it's all great. I will be using both the skincare products and maybe the jewelry as well. I love the lipstick as well. Probably I'll use it. And this one, if you don't have concealers, you should have something like this. Since I already have this, and concealers we use very little, this one is gonna last you for a very long time, because concealers you hardly use a drop. So I have so many concealers, so that's why I don't want to use it, but it's really good for any beginner. You're getting so many shades. Even for a makeup artist, if you're a small budget makeup artist, then you can have this, and you can do almost all the concealing for all your clients. So I think that's a great addition in the box, and definitely a star product. I am very happy with the January edition, because for just 279 you're getting much more than value for money. If you guys are interested in getting it, then definitely check it out. All details are mentioned in the description box below. You will also find the link to the giveaway running on my channel. If you haven't already, then please do check it out and participate. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, and you can be the lucky winner of an entire gift hamper. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.